So a couple of updates about what I've been up to and some plans that I have for the channel. Now, if you like watching my streams, I will be streaming on here and on twitch.tv. I primarily prefer streaming on Twitch. The platform works better for streaming for me. I don't have as many errors with dropped frames or other problems with it not wanting to stream. So go ahead and head over there if you want to watch it. I have a link in this video if you'd like to watch me stream on twitch.tv. Also, if you have anything that you would like to donate to me, such as to my PayPal or anything else, I have links in the description of the video where you can donate that as well. I have all of those. You can also check out sites like redbubble.com. I also have some other sites that I upload some of my drawings to that I scan. And speaking of scanning, I do have more drawings I have to scan. I did do several of my sketchbooks that I scanned, but I've got a couple more left. I actually even have a video where I time-lapsed myself spending like 6 hours just doing scans of all my drawings. But I will be doing more uploads now. I have a lot of videos on my channel to edit. I have thousands of them to edit before I can even upload them, and it's a bit of work trying to organize all the files that I have, because I did have them organized for each hard drive to where one hard drive is edited, the other hard drive is files that I need to edit here soon. But I accidentally put half of my files in the wrong hard drive, and now I've got to reorganize all of them, so that's going to be a bit of work. And also I have just recently reorganized my whole drawing area, which I will be showing you how I set that up and why I have everything set that way. But the reason I had rearranged everything is because my computer was at like this angle here. So a couple of updates whenever I was what I've been up to and some plans that I have for the channel. Like I couldn't rest my hand on the table. Now, if you like watching my streams, I will be streaming on here and on Twitch. So now I've also got all this light coming from the window, streaming on Twitch, and that helps for platform works better for streaming for me. It allows me to have the ISO errors or drop frames or other problems with it not wanting to see in the video. So and go ahead and head over there if you want to watch area here. Link in this video to where you can watch me. I can plug in twitch.tv. Things that charge. Also, if you have any things that you would like to donate to me, power strip, such as to my PayPal, it's just an arm length away, or so anything else, it's not that hard to reach it. Because before I had all the way around my table, and all of those things were kind of. You can also check out. I've rearranged all of that in redbubble.com. But I also have if some other sites that I upload some of my drawings to, as far as collaboration. Speaking of scanning, I go ahead and let me know have more drawings to do anything related to art. I did do even several of my sketchbooks that I scanned, but I've got a couple more left. Really, I actually had a video where I was doing things with time-lapse myself, spending like 6 hours else like that, just doing scans of all. But it'll be things like I will be doing more uploads. Drawing to, for example, I do a drawing. A lot of videos. You can do a drawing. Channel and after we finish our drawing, thousands you can just send me the time lapse or upload them. Edited version. A bit of work trying to organize all the files that I have, because and then I'll take that and combine it with organized for each hard drawing time one hard drive, and then I will be uploading that to my channel. Hard drive is files that I need to edit here soon. If you want me to, I can actually edit more video accidentally, as long as you just send me all the video clips. I can put them together on my timeline, and I can edit them. I use DaVinci Resolve to edit videos, by the way, in case you're wondering. So those are the things that I will be working on, things that moving forward from here. So go ahead and check out twitch.tv if you want to watch me stream, although I still will try to stream on here if it works properly. Go ahead and donate to me. I have links in the description of the video if you like this channel, because it helps me to have more time to draw. So got bills to pay, and I will be doing more uploads, as I said, because I've got so many videos that I need to edit and just upload in the first place. And I will be talking more about this rearrangement of my drawing area that I did in another video. And also, if you want to collaborate with me, go ahead and email me, which is in the link in the description of this video, and we can work on a collaboration. So that's everything for now, and I just woke up about maybe 10 minutes ago, and I got to get my day started. I got a lot to work on, but until then, go ahead and check out the links. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you next video. You have a good day.